one where you hook up.
Here we go, Joe Kinsella on the seat.
It's right here.
Currently your first place points leader. Let's see what he can do with this Lee County track.
I want to see him like hook up or pull each other.
Joe Kinsella.